go ahead and smudge this black line with this brown. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. My name is Hala and I make educational beauty videos, as you know by now. And this video, what is this video about? So what this video is about, actually a request that I got from my subscriber. I hope they have subscribed. I hope. Anyways, it was like a comment in my video and my previous video, so they wanted me to do Brown Smokey Eye Look with natural makeup. So I thought, as I was wearing a brown, like a dark brown turtleneck today, jumper, so I thought that I will do that look. And before I forget, I should really do that look, because I normally, like, you know, it gets out of my mind with all the videos and everything. Please don't come at me. I've done this pigtails, like 2 braids, because I needed to tame my extremely frizzy hair, and I was in no mood of doing something like straightening or curling them or refreshing my curls. I was in no mood of doing that, so I thought that I will come up in braids, which is like ages after. I did them when I was like literally a kid, like, so yeah. Anyway, so let's get on with this video then, guys. Okay guys, so first thing is first, I'm going to start with my eyes first, because the thing is that I don't want any black or brown eye shade, because we'll be working with those, to fall on my face, as if I've done my face, so that gets really hard to clean up. So I will start with my eyes. I'm going to take a lighter concealer, which is like 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. So this is like Pecan, L'Oreal Paris. All the products are mentioned in the description box below. When you click more, there's a description box. You click more again, and then it opens up and you have everything there. The brushes, my other videos, and my products, everything is under there. You can go ahead and check it out. So as I tell you in every video, that you're not going to swipe, just tap, 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 tap always, because otherwise, you know, this is the best way to give your concealer, make your concealer full coverage. Because if you do it like this, you're like completely wiping it off. So if you do it like this, you are actually covering your eye with the concealer and not wiping it off from the face of this earth. So no, from the face of you actually. So yeah, don't do that. I'm going to take a little powder, not too much, and we are just going to set our under eyes, because we don't want our concealer to crease. Especially for beginners, I will really recommend that you set your lids with a concealer, with a powder. Okay, so now I have 2 options for you. Either you can take soft kohl pencils, or you can get this Maybelline gel eyeliner. Whatever you feel is good for you, you can take that, because not everybody owns this. I know not everybody owns this, so I'm going to take this, because I think this will be in every household. सबके पास होती है. So let's take this pencil. I will take this one. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're going to line it on your lash line like you make an eyeliner, but it's not going to be a precise eyeliner, because you are going to blend it anyway. All right, this is a nice pencil. This is from Rimmel. This is a soft kohl pencil. Just trace your lash line. Done. Okay, so now I have this small kind of brush. You can see it's a very small smudging brush. I got it from Body Care. If you're in England, you will know. Otherwise, you can even take a bud. I have done that video. I did it like a couple of years back, where I did a smoky eye look with using just earbuds, you know, the cotton buds. So use that if you can't find a brush. But take a brush. This is the brush that I'm taking, sorry. So just take it and start smudging your black eyeliner from the top. Like, don't go here near the lash line. Go on the top, where the line is, okay? And just start to blend it. No science about it, just start to blend it nicely with very light hands, because you don't want to make it like completely vanish from your eye. Just blend it so it's not literally looking like it's actually a line. I'm not gonna take it any higher, because we are gonna focus more on the brown shade, so I'm not gonna do more of the black there. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using. This is the Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 3 palette. You can also take the other one. The name of that is, I will mention it on the screen. Another palette, that's another neutral palette. They have peaches and browns as well. So this is the palette that I'm going to choose. I'm taking a fluffier brush, and I'm going to take this brown shade. Can you see this brown shade? I packed it on the brush, dust the excess off always. And now what I'm going to do is that I am just going to start, I'm sorry, I just tested it here. So I'm going to start blending the black with the brown. So on top of black, let's add the brown. Okay, so just keep on blending and keep on taking it up, okay? Just like this. Keep blending it and keep taking it upwards, okay? Do you see how nicely it's going? Take more shade if you want to. So now on the same brush, I am going to take a lighter shade and I'm just gonna blend out the edge of this brown now, okay? This much is done, but still there are more steps. I've done this eye, now let's do this one. Now that I'm back after doing both of my eyes, and I know it must not be looking like a lot of difference right now because the rest of my face is not done, but watch till the end and you will know, okay? So now I'm going to apply this She Glam eyeliner, not concealer. You know the drill, how to do it. I am just gonna okay, there you go. Eyeliner is done as well. Now let's go ahead with our upper lashes mascara. This is the Maybelline Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. I'm a fan of Maybelline for mascaras. I'm not curling my lashes, and I am going to, because I am going to wear fake lashes, so I'm not going to curl them. I'm back after applying my lashes and I'm already loving this look. Honestly, I love the brown smokiness it's adding. Let's go with the rest of the face. You requested a natural look, so let's do a natural makeup. So if you don't have dark circles, then just ignore this step, but if you do, then I am going to be using this e.l.f. color corrector because I have dark circles, I have to conceal them. So let's take this color corrector and I will start applying it. If you want to see a detailed video about my color correction, I've just done it recently. I've done a lot of them. I will be linking the whole playlist, the color correction playlist, and you can go and check it out. Now I will go ahead with the concealing bit. So for the concealer, if you are doing it like for a natural look, for how I do my natural look is that I don't use any foundation for that. What I do is that I just use a concealer that matches my skin tone perfectly. So for this, I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which is in the shade 40 Caramel. I'm going to apply it here on the corner. I will apply it wherever I need concealing and I will not be applying any foundation. So all of these spots, which are my recent nightmare, thank you to the unwelcomed acne. Ouch. Okay. Over here. So where I color correct, so I'm applying it everywhere that I color correct, okay? So I'm applying this concealer. This matches my skin tone exactly. Now I'm going to blend this. First we'll start with the under eyes and then we'll go with the rest of the face. So let's start blending it. All of the products, the brushes, they will be in the description box below. This brush will be named as the concealer brush. Okay, we did eyeliner before. So I'm just gonna do it like this, making the eyeliner a bit neat as well. Okay. Now whatever is left on the brush, I'm just taking it on my nose, like literally on my nose. And on the side of the nose, this much is concealed with this. Trust me, this concealer is way too much to conceal everything, so I'm happy with that. Now let's go ahead with this eye. That's this much of your face done, like you see, and this is natural, like this is not going to look any heavy or anything like that. So just take a foundation brush now and let's go ahead with the rest of the face. You are going to still pat it. You can blend it however you want to, but this gives your face a little full coverage. Okay, on the marks. Now I have done this much. Now I'm going to go ahead with my blush on. Because this is a natural look, I will try to do more of like cream things rather than powder. I would prefer cream. So now I'm taking this blush which is from MUA Makeup Academy. This is a blush called Watermelon, my favorite. Okay, so just add, like, because it's a natural look, we're not gonna add a lot. I'm gonna blend it with the brush. You can blend it with the same foundation brush as well. No problems with that, but I will blend it with this brush. Don't worry if it seems a lot, it is just going to vanish in a bit. It just looks a lot at first, but it's not that much. See, I told you it will like lighten a bit, like after a bit it does go down. So now I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes. For that I'm taking this Revolution Lace Baking Powder. I don't bake with it, but I do take it because it's a very nice powder. So just apply it on your under eyes first. Just pat, 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 pat. Okay. Now I'll take a bigger brush and I'll just go on the rest of the face if you want to go over it. Otherwise you could just leave it like this as well. Okay, so this much is done. Now normally what I do is that I take a bronzing powder. This is completely optional. If you don't want to do it on natural makeup looks, then you don't do it. But I do like to give my face a little bit of color, especially on my forehead. So I just apply a little bronzer and I just go on my forehead a little, okay? And then I just lightly go on my cheekbones, just very little powder, okay, not too much, because I've tried not to do that much powder. And then on my jawline, because I wanted to match it to the rest of the face. So that's it. Not new product on it. I'll just pinch it and I will do the nose like this. And I've contoured my nose as well. So like I do these steps even on my natural makeup look. So you can omit anything that you want, but I think this is like not that much stuff. It still looks pretty natural. It is not like really out there. So now let's complete our under eyes. We're going to our eyes, I mean. We're going to take the same soft kohl pencil and we're going to line our lower lash line, okay? So I'm going to hold the puff so that I don't ruin my makeup. Just pull it down a bit and just start adding the line, kohl liner, into your lower lash line. Okay, don't worry, we have to blend it. Now I'm going to go ahead with the same eyeshadow palette and I will take the small brush, the black one first, and I'm just gonna take a little black shade first, a small amount, very small amount, just on the tip of the brush. I'm just going to smudge the black line a bit. This will set the kohl as well so that it doesn't vanish, and it will smudge it as well, okay, just a little. Now take the same brush that you did the black with and take a tissue, just wipe the black off a bit from there. Like, it doesn't have to be very clean, but just wipe it on the tissue, like really nicely, 2-3 times, so that most of the black is gone. You can take another brush, but I'm trying to make it as simple as I can for you guys. So now I'm going to go ahead with this brown shade, the one that I take the first time. So just take this brown shade on this brush, nicely, pack it on there, dust a little off, go ahead and smudge this black line with this brown. Okay, just really close, don't take it too much lower. Okay, so the lower lash is done as well, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put a little mascara. Where is my mascara? Ooh, yeah. So I'm just going to put a little mascara on the lower lash line, lower lashes. So just apply this. So the eye look is complete. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray the face with a makeup fixing spray. You can use it before the mascara as well, but I'm okay. I mean, it doesn't bleed the mascara. So I'm just gonna spray it. Just keep it at a distance. Spray has dried. Now go ahead with the highlighter. This is completely optional. Because you're doing a natural makeup look, if you don't want to go with a highlighter, it's up to you. I'm just using the one from Patricia Bright palette, this one, and I'm just gonna apply it a little on my cheekbones, not a lot because I don't want to be too flashy as I'm going for a natural look, which is so unlike me as I love highlighter. So yeah, a little on the bridge of my nose and a little on the tip of my nose, like this. And just to open your eyes, take a little highlighter and just apply it on the inner corner. It just opens your eyes a bit. It just makes it look a little bigger. Now let's go ahead with our lips. For the lips, I am taking this lip pencil from Makeup Revolution, which is the IRL Filter Finish Lip Definer. Link it below. So just, this is a brown shade. Let's do this. For the inner lips, I will go ahead with this Makeup Academy, not Revolution, Makeup Academy lipstick, which is in the shade Super Nude. Yes, it is Super Nude. So that's that. Now I'm going to apply a gloss. It's up to you. I don't apply it that often, but I thought this eye look can go with a gloss. So this is the final look, guys. I love it. I absolutely love it. The brown smoky eyes, like you can see, look at the eyes, how pretty they're looking. They're super easy, and I have tried to keep it as easy as possible, and I've tried to keep the product as easy as possible. Let me give you some tips now. If you don't have a brown eye shade, you can also use a bronzing powder on your eyes instead of a brown eye shade, so it's more easier for you. You don't have to spend a lot. So yeah, if you don't have a liquid blush on, you can just go ahead and apply a lipstick on your cheeks for a natural kind of a radiant kind of a finish. So yeah, these are kind of some tips that I gathered on the way, so I thought that I will let you guys know as well. And yes, with this is it for this video. I hope you did like this look, guys, because I loved it. I hope you liked my braids because I've done them like after so long, and I'm very conscious, but I hope that they're not looking that bad. And yes, I am just gonna sign off with this, guys. I hope you liked this look. If you did, and I hope that this tutorial was exactly what you wanted. If you liked it, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Please do comment below with any other questions, any other suggestions, any other, you know, requests that you want me to do. Please do comment below and let me know. With that, I will just sign off, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for supporting me, for loving me. I absolutely would not be here without your support. So yeah, keep doing that. And yes, if you like this video, then please do give me a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe, as that helps a lot. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video very soon, guys. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.